shoot, it's on a movie. Piggy. Costa Rican puppy with one eye. Them eating. Alligators. That one looks pretty angry. Either that or just hungry.
How about that?
Oh. Bird.
3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3.
This guy right here going somewhere.
Oh, there he is.
I lost him.
See the big one?
I don't know what that
I'm
is.
surprised he's not running back in. He wants to do something.
Now we're moving, so I can't.
He's thinking about it.
Can you kind of
Okay. Afraid if we get too close, he's gonna go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, where's he going? Where's he going? I don't know where.
Not a good shot right there. You can't.
A huge bug.
Had a major devastating eruption in '68.
Really depressing. A snake thing. That's really depressing.
Look at those different ash
Chicky.
flows. I mean, I'm telling
You
wanna see eating? No. You can see it eating.
Cans with flip.
I know.
We can throw
There are tons of
a
those.
scorpion into there if you wanna see it eating.
Gross spider. Like, oh my gosh, they're so gross. Ah, and they're everywhere.
big old garden spider like that.
And over there, you see some ponpons. They're eating